for breakfast. I have 1 cup of natural yogurt, low fat, and I put here apples, and then I'm gonna be using the Betty Crocker 1 tablespoon. This is a peanut butter that we use. And then after drink glass of milk. This is how much peanut butter I put in my bread. So this is what I eat, and I need to grab my cup of milk, and this is what I'm gonna eat for breakfast. And then at 3:30 I will be eating a big full lunch, so wait for that, and I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast right now. So see you in the afternoon. It's 3:41 right now, and I'm eating my lunch. So I have here chicken with tomatoes, some chiles, and cactus with chicken, and then I have my plate of salad, and then here I have a soup, and then I have a Diet Coke, and then I just ate tortillas, which I just ate 1 right now, so I have 2 tortillas. And this is what I eat for lunch at 3:30. So right now I'm eating my lunch, and then at 7 or 8 I'll eat some dinner, and I'll see you guys at dinner.
Hello guys, so it's 8 o'clock and this is what I eat for dinner. A bowl of cereal, 1.5 of cereal, and 1.5 of milk. And I usually eat this. Sometimes I eat cereal, sometimes I eat yogurt, because I'm already full of the lunch I had. So yeah, so this is what I eat at dinner between 7:30 or 8. So yeah, this is what I usually eat for dinner. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video of my weight loss journey. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more if you guys like this video. And I'll see you next time.